Okay friends, just open your settings application, then scroll down. Then you can see here there's an option for battery. Just open it. Now you can see here there is an option for battery protection. Okay, you can simply turn on that battery protection from here. Just tap on that button, but I'm opening this text for getting more details. So here you can see we are just turning on the battery protection. There is three level: basic, adaptive and maximum. Basic means it is when your battery is charged 100%, the phone automatically stops charging. Then your phone become a battery percentage of 95, it is charged again. Adaptive is also like that, stops charging at 80%. And the maximum is that you can set a limit on 80% or 85 or 90 or 95%. Maximum is the best protection because your best battery life you can get maintains your battery at a 10% to 80%. So I set the maximum for my battery protection. So you can see here we can change to any other percentage like 80, 85, 90 or 95. It is very useful. And also Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra give us 45 watt super fast charging, and it is not that much super fast because of other phones have providing 120 watts and also 240 watts. So Samsung is still behind that. So that's it. If you turn on this battery protection, you can get more battery life, because you must know that Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra series providing like 7 years software updates. That means you can use your mobile more than 7 years. So if you maintain this battery, you can simply use your mobile battery at heavy usage for at least you can use 4 years. Okay, so you just always keep your charge the level of 10 to 80%. Whenever your phone become below than 20%, just charge your phone and set the limit of 80%. It is very useful and good. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.